For this week's assignment, I chose the topic of relationships and communications. I'm currently studying to be a 7th through 12th grade language arts education teacher. So therefore, the lessons plans that I chose were for 7th through 12th grade students. There's one specifically just for middle school and one specifically just for high school, just because they're both going to be on different levels of understanding content. And so for my middle schoolers, I chose cyberbullying, and they'll be able to understand that more at that age, just because that's the age it typically tends to happen at. Just like with my high schoolers, I chose the way they portray themselves online. Out of all the articles and the readings and even my own resources that I found, they all kind of talk about the same information, with that being like anytime we're reading an article, texting a friend, in a romantic relationship with somebody, there's always a form of instant communication. And it talks about verbal and nonverbal communication, and also romantic relationships and what that looks like with communication, and also just like a student-teacher relationship, and that's really important as we become educators in the future.